Hey everyone, I'm Selena from Rick's Review Hub. If you're looking to beef up your home security with a high-tech, easy-to-use camera, you're gonna love this. Today we're checking out the REOLINK 4K Wi-Fi Outdoor Security Camera, the TrackMix model. This camera is packed with features to keep your property safe. Stick with me as we dive into what it offers, weigh the pros and cons, and see if it's right for you. Let's roll. First up, let's talk about features. The REOLINK TrackMix boasts 4K 8MP Ultra HD resolution for crystal clear video, day or night. It's a dual-lens camera with a wide-angle lens for a broad view and a telephoto lens for zoomed-in details, giving you both perspectives at once. The 360-degree pan and 90-degree tilt with auto-tracking follow people, vehicles, or animals, so nothing slips by. It supports dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 and 5 GHz for a stable connection. You get ColorX night vision for full-color footage in low light, plus a built-in siren and two-way audio to scare off intruders or chat with visitors. Local storage on a microSD card up to 256 GB means no subscription fees, and it's IP66 weatherproof for tough outdoor conditions. Now, the pros. The 4K video is insanely sharp, capturing every detail like license plates or faces. The dual-lens setup and auto-tracking are awesome for covering large areas without blind spots. Night vision is top-notch with vibrant colors even in the dark. Setup is a breeze with the REOLINK app, and the lack of monthly fees is a huge win. Users rave about its smart detection, which cuts down on false alerts from things like trees swaying. But there are some cons. The camera needs a strong Wi-Fi signal, so if your router's far from the mounting spot, you might need a Wi-Fi extender. It's a bit pricey compared to basic 1080p cameras, though the features justify the cost for most. Some users say the app could be more polished, with occasional lag when viewing live feeds. Also, while it's wireless for data, it still needs a power cable, so plan your setup accordingly. So who's this for? If you want a premium outdoor security camera with cutting-edge features like 4K clarity, auto-tracking, and no subscriptions, the REOLINK TrackMix is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for homeowners or small business owners needing reliable, high-quality surveillance. Ready to secure your home? Check the link in the description to grab the REOLINK 4K Wi-Fi Outdoor Security Camera on Amazon for the best pricing and special deals from Rick's Review Hub. If you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.